Let him cook. Let him cook now. Let him cook. I said let him cook.
My brother here. What's up?
Hi.
Okay, so to make ice cream right now, we're gonna need a couple things. One is expired milk or close to it. You don't want expired milk, you want non-expired milk. So we got that. We also want some heavy whipping cream. They don't really have whole milk whipping cream sauce thing. So 33% of that. And you would also want some vanilla extract.
Very important. Fun.
You're also gonna want to have some sugar and some salt. You also need ice for a later step, but we'll get to that later. So like first, right now I think I add the milk. It's too much milk. Oh.
That's way too much.
Well, there's nothing I can do about it now. Shut up. Yeah? You add like milk, and then you add like,
How much amount of heavy cream you want?
okay, yeah. Let's add like,
Oh, it's disgusting.
let's add like a cup of heavy cream.
Man ran gonna wear the apron. Man's going to turn into a real chef.
Shut up.
So Chef Abel, what? Are you making ice cream?
Chef Salking, not evil.
Oh, Chef Salking.
Yeah. So after your heavy cream, I don't know, pour in as much as you want. It's because I'm using whole, like
Milk.
skim milk, basically 2% milk. Anyway, now you want to add like a half cup of sugar. Yeah. You don't need a lot of sugar, man.
How much? Much to get diabetes?
Yeah, man, look at this. I'll get diabetes from this.
You didn't see.
Here. Does it look better now? Is it in frame? Is it focused?
Oh my goodness, see, your body get diabetes. Why is that so gross, so gross?
I don't know, man. Okay, I need like a thing to like spin it with.
Oh.
A spinny thing.
Do we have a whisk?
You have one, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, now
Everyone, make sure to get the whiskey thing.
what are you up to?
What am I?
Yeah.
Oh, what am I up to? I'm just nerdy.
You what?
I'm nerdy.
We all know you don't need to wear those glasses.
Everyone knows that.
Okay, let me get a tasting spoon.
Is that good enough?
I don't know where this is coming from.
Probably from someone's mouth.
Oh, from you have gingivitis, right?
What?
Yeah, you probably have gingivitis.
You probably have stupidism.
You have gingivitis. Let's take a taste. Did I add vanilla extract yet?
Huh?
Did I add the vanilla extract yet?
No. Is it good?
We'll find out later.
Give me a taste before the vanilla extract.
Jesus. Look at all the colors.
Wait, let me get a close up.
Well, you missed. Look, it's like popping. It's crazy.
Add a little bit more. See the effect.
Okay.
Oh, I can see it. Hey, Chef Salkin, let me take a taste of the vanilla extract.
You want to taste vanilla extract?
Why not? You
Don't drink too much. Don't drink that much. Don't drink that much.
I'm going for it. It's for the views. See that?
Sure.
Where's the garbage? I need to put this out. Back recording.
We're recording again? How are you feeling?
Disgusted.
Look at me. How are you feeling?
I'm very disgusted. It was very disgusting. Yeah, it was really disgusting. Taste it. Is it bad?
I'm not giving you an answer.
It was bad. It was bad.
I can't cook anything normally. I always burn stuff. I even burnt like grilled cheese. So now this one is supposed to be cold. That's like reverse cooking, right?
Yeah, it is reverse cooking. You're just freeze cooking.
Exactly. So how can I mess this one up?
If you add too much of something. Look at the camera and say that.
How can I mess this up? Possibly, huh?
Because you can put too much vanilla extract, too much milk, too much whipping cream.
Okay, so I gotta move this one into like a bag or something, right?
Yeah. Should I get the bag?
You can pause the video recording. Okay, so now our next step after we make our ice cream sauce is that we need like a bag and we gotta like fill it up with like ice.
This is totally not gonna... One second.
Okay.
Oh my
We
God.
got like a bag of ice, right?
Hmm?
And now you wanna like get like a bag of sauce. How do I do this?
Should I help?
Maybe you can try. Okay. You gonna hold it?
I'll hold-
Put it over the sink. Put it over the sink. This one.
Don't get it on my hands.
Hold it wider then.
It's about to get on my...
Oh, it's not that much to be honest.
It is really not that much. I thought it was gonna be like a lot.
Okay, close it, close it, close it.
God. Hold it.
I'm about to call. Just close it. Just do it over the freaking sink. You have to close it. You have to close. Hold the freaking pinches and close it. Hold it. Close it. I need to do the freaking salt. Close it. Hold this. Hold this. You can't hold the whole Ziploc bag. Don't spill anything.
Help!
Where'd the salt go?
It's getting on my hands.
Okay, just close it. Like it's okay if a little bit spills.
Oh God. Oh no. A lot of this.
It's fine if a little bit spills. 'Cause
I need something to hold this on the bottom.
it's fine. You just pour out a little bit. Okay.
Technical difficulties.
So the next step is to put like some salt in the ice.
But before that, we're gonna be I'm gonna try to close this son of a bitch.
That's apparently gonna help somehow.
Huh? Ah, that's way too much. Way too much. Way too much.
Bro, you're disgusting now. You close it?
I closed it.
Okay, put it in the freaking thing. Put it in it. Put it in it. Put it over the freaking camera. Oh!
Bro, I closed that for just that to happen?
You didn't close it properly then.
I closed it all the way. You almost squeezed it too hard. For 5 minutes.
This Ziploc bag is actually cold. Yeah, it's freezing.
Guys, I'll record now.
Is it not recording?
It's not recording.
Okay. It's actually super cold.
Should I just do it?
No, here, just wrap it in a towel.
That's what you're supposed to do. You literally sit on the tutorial.
Shut up, I don't care about no tutorial.
Even though you literally want a tutorial.
This is a tutorial. This is the only tutorial you'll need. Okay, yeah. We'll keep it wrapped in the cloth. No.
Oh, dying.
It opened up. The inside bag opened up. Oh no, leave the thing! We're gonna have salty ice cream.
Huh?
We're gonna have like salty ice cream.
It's so true. Guys, I want to see. Look how much.
You gonna clean that up or no? Come on.
Oh my God. Should I just hold it?
We need like a big Ziploc bag. Why do we never have anything in this house?
I don't know. Ask Appa.
It's all leaking out. I just want some ice cream. I just want some ice cream. It's just flying out everywhere.
Why don't you just put it in the freezer? Why don't you just put it in the freezer? Just put it in the freezer. What do you actually?
No, apparently you can just shake it like this really well and it'll become ice cream soon enough. It's so cold.
The camera's not focusing.
Make it focus. Oh my gosh, I just...
Guys, Chef Salad Cake is no longer chef. He's a noob. What the hell is that? Bro, just put it in the freezer. There's a reason why I opened it.
Put it in the freezer?
Yes.
All this dirt. This freezer is too...
Go to the downstairs one.
Yeah, bring it. I have to clean that up later.
You.
Shut up.
I just recorded. This man's doing his game.
Sleep.
You would kill me for doing for me being innocent, huh?
You're not innocent, we all know that. You're plotting this in the beginning.
Put it on the pizza, and I better run.
Not gonna fall, right?
Let's close this.
Good thing.
Yeah, that's not gonna fall. Because if it does fall, doesn't it just...
Record me, not the floor, okay? You're a pathetic, useless piece of crap.
You wish that way. Should I pause it?
You don't need to pause anything. Why don't you pause it up your ass?
Okay. Oh my god.
Where did this fall? Where's this on the floor? Help me clean this up. Stop recording random stuff. Record the thing properly.
You just wanted ice cream. Oh my god. Look at the mess. Yeah, guys, we're gonna have to end this. Technical difficulties, am I right?
Just pause the freaking recording.
Bye.
You got cum in your mouth.
You
got nut in your mouth. You got nut in your mouth. How do you feel?
What do you mean?
You have nut in your mouth.
What nut do you mean by?
You don't know what nut is? How old are you?
Bro, give me that.
How old are you? How old are you?
0.
How old are you? Don't put the whole thing in your mouth. Stop drinking all of it. I need that for later. Doesn't even taste good. How old are you? Tell me your real age. Say your real age now.
11.
Okay, you don't know what nut is?
Not like that, or the one you can eat?
What's the nut like that?
Peanuts?
What is that?
These.
What is that?
My,
Stop eating all the whipped cream, you fat
I'm
ass.
only cleaning it.
Yeah, you're a big fatty.
This one?
Okay, yeah. So, now that kind of nuts, bro. You know what nut is? Not nuts. You know what nut is?
Nuts, like peanuts.
No, not like peanuts. You'll know when you're like 13.
Excuse me?
Yep, when you're 13, you'll know what I just said. And you're gonna hate me for it because you got nut in your mouth. So, what are we gonna do while the ice cream is freezing?
Knocking myself out.
You know, I'm gonna knock you out. You're gonna fight this time or are you gonna cry like a baby?
Maybe both.
Yeah,
That's
let's go.
gonna take like 2 hours.
Let's go.
What, wrong leg?
Come on here. What are you even doing, bro? You're not Muhammad Ali. Look at my body. Look to punch my head. Like, You're not kicking, you're just boxing, bro.
Oh.
Let's go. Hey, what are you trying to charge into me for? We're boxing. How long has it been now?
Like 2 hours.
Not that long. Come here. Let's check. Let's check the freaking ice cream. Let's check the ice cream.
I'll check. I'm opening it.
Oh, it's ice cream.
What do you mean?
It's mostly ice cream. Look at that.
Should I get a spoon?
If you want to. It's mostly ice cream. It tastes good.
It's a crystal.
Yeah, it's gonna be because it's like skim milk. It's gonna be a lot. It's like frozen on the outside, but not in the middle. The ice cream. Tastes good.
Is this it?
Yeah, it tastes good.
It tastes like milk.
Doesn't taste like ice cream. Tastes like ice cream.
To me, it tastes like milk. Actually, you're still milk.
Okay, what tastes better? The ice cream we bought or
The
this one?
Breyers
The burgers one, yeah.
and the Breyers.
Why? It literally tastes the same.
Because at least that one was in soup.
Okay, yeah. So this is Falcon 9, Chef Sal, and our yogurt milk thing. Hey, don't get me wrong, this tastes really good, but I will give it. It tastes 10 out of 10. It tastes really good, but I don't know. Should freeze for longer. But I'm tired of waiting. That's this video. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Short video this week, this month, really, cause I got a lot of things planned for next month. There's gonna be 2 guaranteed videos and yeah, at least 2 guaranteed videos and podcast episodes. And the podcast should be fixed, hopefully. We'll see. By the time this video goes up and anyone wants to join the podcast, and if you have not joined before, so brand new members, hit me up on my socials or something. Yeah. But until then, later.